Beach here at MarineMax in beautiful downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida. And today I'm going to show you around our all-new 2021 Grady-White 275 Freedom. First thing you'll notice is that nice sharp entry on the bow, as well as our nice big bow flare. Stainless steel through-hole anchor on the bow. As you come around, you'll see the sloping shear line coming back while still retaining nice high sides for offshore use. Recessed trim tabs, as well as being powered by Yamaha 200 horsepower 4-stroke outboards with joystick maneuverability. Next, we'll move inside and I'll show you around. Here we are on the interior of this 2021 Grady-White 275 Freedom. Take note of our nice big transom door. Freshwater shower conveniently located at the aft. Battery switches in a convenient location. Remote flush for both engines. We have a nice large fish box here on the transom, as well as a live well. As we move into the cockpit, you'll see the nice kitchenette with a sink, plenty of storage underneath. As we swing around here into the cockpit, you'll see Coleman bolsters all the way around, as well as the rear bench seat. This boat has the electromechanical passenger seat where the aft pulls out completely to turn into an aft-facing sun lounger. This boat also has a sheer shade. As you come to the helm, you'll see the nice deluxe helm seat. Ergonomically laid out helm with joystick maneuverability. Large head area, big enough for an adult man to be able to use. And then of course, the nice big bow area. Seating on both sides, recessed cup holders, grab handles with storage underneath, and easy access to the windlass on the bow of the boat. Come by MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida today, or call me directly at area code 407-394-7623 to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned Grady-White boats.